One night, this man accidentally stepped on his cat in the dark. Feeling bad about it, a few days later he bought special shoes for his cats that light up at night so he could easily see them in the dark. But the moment the lights went off, it looked like tiny ghosts were running around the house. Seeing this scared him so badly he almost had a heart attack. The next day, he changed the light color to red, but that only made things worse. Now the cats looked even creepier and started scaring each other too. Finally, he chose what seemed like the safest option and installed sound-activated lights. Unfortunately, he forgot one important thing. He snores loudly all night. Because of his snoring, the cats couldn't sleep either, and the poor things ended up with dark circles under their eyes.